In this video, I will show you how to use this video capture device. The system is used to convert video to digital format, either from a DVD player or VCR. Before we start, we recommend using a USB 3.0 memory stick of 128 gigabytes or less. We also advise to check the state of your video media. Any scratches or damage will affect the video quality when converting the video into a digital format. Start by checking that all connections are plugged in correctly. Confirm the capture device is connected to the output ports on your video source. If you are connecting the devices via RCA connection, make sure you are matching the colors. Turn on the device by pressing and holding the power button until you see the device light up. Plug in your USB memory stick into the device. Once plugged in, you should see the memory card icon change to USB. At this moment, please turn on and insert your media into the DVD player or VCR. You should now start seeing the video on the small screen of the capture device. Make certain you start playing the DVD on the player prior to recording. You can now start recording. Press the record/stop button and the capture device will start recording. You should start seeing the recording timer on the top left of the screen. The capture device will save the recorded digital videos into your USB memory stick. When you are ready to stop the recording entirely and save the recording, simply press the record/stop button again. Please do not unplug the USB memory stick until after you stop the recording. Otherwise, the recording will not be saved into your drive correctly. When you are done with your recording and you have removed the USB memory stick from the capture card, please insert the USB stick into your computer. Open the drive, navigate to the folder named Video on the USB memory stick. Your video recordings should all be in there. Things to note: the recording transfer has to occur in real time and there is no way to speed up the process. If when plugging in your USB stick you get this message, go ahead and select Confirm Formatting. Be advised that this will erase all data and files in the USB memory stick. We recommend formatting your USB memory stick beforehand. External USB drives are not supported. When you are done, turn off the device by pressing the power button until the device shuts down. Or confirm shutdown by selecting OK. If you're having any difficulties or issues with the capture device or is not working correctly, please contact Help Desk. Thank you.